Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cleaning brushes. It is that day and I thought might as well sit down and film a video because I need to film something to go up. And here I am cleaning some brushes. So I'm gonna pass the time with y'all and just sit down and chat. I rarely ever do this where I'm just kind of like doing an off the whim kind of video, but I thought it might be fun. And I'm kind of bored just cleaning my brushes, so let's sit down and film a video, right? Okay, so this video is not going to be anything as specific, but just me cleaning brushes. You guys know I am using my Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner, and I use a towel that I have specifically to clean brushes. And yeah, it is the best brush cleaner you could ever use in your entire life. It dries them instantly, it leaves them disinfected, it gets the product out super fast, which for me is a lifesaver because I am not about to sit 10-15 minutes and wait for my brushes to dry in between clients, you guys. That is not a thing that we do, that is not very effective. So for that reason, I like this brush cleaner. If you hear lots of noise, that is what you're hearing. So I have work this weekend, and lots of work actually, but I'm cleaning my makeup brushes because I have work on Saturday for a big event. I am doing some makeup for some lovely ladies for a foundation, the Selfless Love Foundation. So it's a really great foundation for adopted children, and they help out by helping connect parents to adoption agencies, but also providing funding to help out those families and the children as well. So I'm going to be doing makeup for some of the children that are in the foundation that might be performing or presenting and things like that, and then some guests of the event as well. So I'm doing that on Saturday. It is going to be an all-day thing, but I am preparing my kit for that long day of work, so that's what I'm doing. So while I'm sitting here and just chatting, I might as well just do like some interesting points or touch on some interesting things here. Wishes, maybe some things that your makeup artist wishes you knew as a client and from a makeup artist perspective. Like recently I did a client and I've kind of realized that not everything means the same thing for everybody. So for example, lots of people will say like, I want natural makeup, and really what they mean to say is that they want neutral makeup, which is two different things. So I've realized that people don't really know what they're asking for. So I usually at that point, if they tell me something natural, I will, kind of from that point, like talk to them and be like, hey, so do you mean like as far as foundation, like very light? Or do you mean like as far as tones, you want neutral tones? And so from there, they'll probably tell me, okay, yes, I want the tones to be a natural tone, which from that moment, I know that they don't really want natural looking makeup or natural looking skin. They want neutral tones, which is two completely different things. So yes, natural makeup means like barely anything, or kind of like very light foundation that is barely detectable, foundation that is not going to cover every single blemish and every single, pigmentation on your skin. That's what natural makeup means. Neutral makeup means that you would like neutral tones. So like browns, light pinks, champagnes, light colors like that, light browns. So those are neutral tones, not natural, neutral. Another thing that happens a lot that I wish more people knew is what goes behind the business. So like lots of people like to criticize your pricings and what you charge, but they don't really know what goes behind it, right? So like for example, me personally this past week, I had a client reach out to me who was recommended by someone else, and I unfortunately was not available to do her makeup and her makeup that day. So I recommended her a few other makeup artists and hair artists. So now my work becomes a different kind of thing, even though I am not necessarily doing the actual makeup itself. I am now in charge of administrating those other girls that are going to go to the client and do her hair and makeup. So people don't realize that there's a lot of administration that goes behind the job as well. So like I was back and forth with the client several days over the phone, several conversations, took time out of being with my own family to answer her questions and answer her calls and send emails back and forth, as well as even find someone who was available at the day and time that she wanted. So all of that takes a lot of effort, and to be honest, all I take is a small administrative fee from the overall service. You know, it's a lot of things that people don't realize goes on behind the scenes, and for that reason we charge the prices that we charge. You know, makeup is a luxurious item and not everyone needs it. It's not like life or death for reals, but like you have to realize that a lot goes on behind the scenes and you might not realize, and if we don't charge for those things, then we're basically doing work for no reason, and it's a lot of work and you might not even book the service. So we end up wasting a lot of time and taking time out of our day to help you out, to answer your questions, taking time out of our families, and so for that reason we do that. As well as, you know, things are very expensive nowadays. Especially makeup is expensive. We have, you know, realized that in order for us to be able to make a living, we might have to charge more luxurious price points because of the cost of living is way more now than it was in previous years. So I'm finishing up cleaning my brushes, but I will just let you know one more slight detail that your makeup artist wishes you knew. You cannot compare yourself to what people look like online and in photos and like maybe like the red carpet. So for example, your makeup might not look exactly the same as that person because you are a different person altogether. You have different bone structure, different skin types, different skin texture. And usually those people spend a lot of money to take care of their skin, as far as facials, laser treatments, fillers, Botox, things of that sort, even plastic surgery. So you really can't compare yourself to what you think your makeup's gonna look like on a celebrity because of those different variables. Now I do want to let you know that if you do not take care of your skin regularly on your own time, your makeup is not going to look as good as it would if you did take care of your skin. We're definitely going to try our best to make something look decent for you, but if you did have a good skincare routine at home, it would make our jobs a lot easier, and the overall result would probably be 100 times better if you did take care of your skin at home, which is why I try personally to incorporate some kind of skincare routine when I do makeup, because I realized that not everyone takes care of their skin at home, and it was overall affecting how I was performing on my makeup skills. So I do exfoliate and moisturize the skin before doing makeup for that reason. So, but you can help out your makeup artist by having a good skincare routine at home and get your regular facials, you know, a few months before your event. That way you can ensure that your skin looks its best by the time we do your makeup. So yeah, this is a little bit of a shorter kind of out of the blue video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.